how to update your messages on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How Do Apps. This is me Vipin Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can update your messages on Instagram. Now basically the messages are auto updated and you'll get the message notifications if you have enabled yet, or even if you do not have enabled, you'll get the notification as soon as you're connected to the proper internet connection. Now in order to update it, you want to make sure you are connected to the proper internet connection. You can either connect to a Wi-Fi network, or you can connect to a mobile data, and you want to make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version in order to not get any glitch or bugs within the app. Once you do so, you can simply open up your Instagram. You're going to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you can see I have my chats updated. In case it's not getting updated, you can simply swipe your fingers from up to down and it'll just get updated, as you can see here. Now mine is updated to the latest messages that I've received, so this way you can update. In case it's not working, you want to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. So this is the way you can update messages on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.